Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Virtual Informatics Showcase. We are Team Sparkles, and we are extremely lucky to have SparkSet as our sponsor company. We are doing this showcase in order to highlight what we've been working on as part of our Senior Design Project course, which spans over 20 weeks, that is, 2 quarters. As previously mentioned, we are Team Sparkles, and we've had the pleasure of working with 2 of our very talented sponsors, Tiffany Frake and Ted Paul. This picture was taken during our very first meeting where we introduced ourselves to each other and got a heads up about the project that we'd be working on.
So just for context, SparkSet is basically a set of customer experience strategists. So what they do is they work on developing brand loyalty and advocacy and working with other businesses to empower them and create long-lasting relationships between them, their customers, and their employees. And what they needed from our team was a functional CRM platform kind of tool that would help them to create, view, and capture all of their different clients and their different preference data.
So with this project, we encountered many challenges. For example, learning new technologies like Vue.js. We overcame that by practicing a lot and also reading a lot of documentations about it and also doing tutorials. So working remotely and splitting roles and responsibilities was also another challenge for us. But now that we have Zoom and Slack and also GitHub at our side, that isn't a problem anymore. And also scope creeping is also was also a challenge at first. But then because of the regular meetings that we have, we managed to stay on track with the guidance of the meetings. And also lastly, we encountered with some technical difficulties, which we would help each other out through the process. So we managed to solve all our challenges along the way.
Some of the top accomplishments that we made during this project were being able to implement a fully fledged customer relationship manager with a clean and minimalist user interface, designing a database structure that would fit all of the client needs, and learning all the necessary web dev skills such as Vue.js, HTML, and CSS. We also learned some valuable teamwork skills such as how to manage workloads and client expectations.
In regard to our top lessons learned, most of us had little to no experience with web development and mainly learned as we went on. Technical skills that we gained included Vue.js, our choice of JavaScript framework, CSS, HTML, and LeanCloud, which had our database on the serverless backend. Soft skills that we developed through this project included teamwork by working collaboratively with constant communication and sharing knowledge, good time management by setting goals and planning ahead, appropriate use of collaboration tools such as Google Drive for sharing various deliverables to work on, GitHub for code review, Slack for communication, and Trello for assigning tasks. And finally, working in an agile environment which included an incremental and iterative development process for a rapid solution delivery to our sponsor.
We'll be happy to let you try out our app, but since this app is mainly for SparkSet employees, it contains a lot of sensitive data, so we cannot really make it public. However, we do have our source code uploaded to GitHub repository, so if you like, you can go there and study our code.